ODNR RICS training, replace bonding. If you have any questions about the replace bonding workflow, you can contact the division either by phone or email. As a well owner and/or brine hauler, you are required to provide financial assurance, also known as bonding, to the Division of Oil and Gas Resources Management for your entity. There may be the need to change or update bonding for your entity. The process to use for this is replace bonding. A new bond application must be added and approved first, and then the replacement bonding process can be initiated to request replacing one bonding instrument with another. It will take approximately 30 minutes to complete the bonding application. Your progress is saved as you move through the process, so you can stop and return to the submission later by going to the Financial Assurance view and selecting the Not Submitted tab. Before you can replace an existing bonding instrument, you must have already submitted the replacement instrument and received approval of it from the division. You begin the replace bonding process by hovering over Submissions and click Replace Bonding. The instruction screen displays your application number. It lets you know that progress in the application is saved and can be returned to at any time. You can see the required content listed. Scroll to the bottom of the screen. You must answer yes to the question about already having an approved replacement. You will not be able to proceed until you do. At this screen, you must select at least one instrument to replace the bonding for. Click the checkbox next to the instrument before proceeding. RICS displays the instrument you selected to replace. You must scroll to the bottom of this screen and confirm that the instrument selected is the one that you want to replace. Once you do this, you will be able to proceed. This is where the pre-approved instrument comes in. You must select the replacement instrument before proceeding. Review the replacement instrument. You must scroll to the bottom of this screen and confirm that the instrument selected is the one that you want to replace the current instrument with. Once you do this, you will be able to proceed. At the summary screen, you can review your entries. Scrolling down will show all the entries you made in this workflow. If anything needs to be changed, click on the corresponding edit link. The bottom of this screen shows the replacement instrument. At this final screen, read the information about the approval process and submit the request. RICS informs you that your request has been submitted for review. Once it is approved, you will see a notification of the approval and the replacement bonding will show in the Financial Assurance view Bonding tab. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. For more help videos and documents, visit these locations.